Hello everyone and welcome back, and today is finally the day where I can officially announce the big news that I've been teasing for a few weeks now. So let's just skip the intro and dive right into it. Now, to give it a little bit of background on this channel, which you all like and love, and which I really appreciate that you're all part of this community. I have been doing some drone videos as well, mostly to enhance the different perspectives in the road trips that I'm doing, and I've also done a few drone specific videos about Norway mainly. So what I've noticed is that those videos, well, you guys are Tesla audience, you're not the same audience as the audience would be for a drone channel. So that is exactly what I am doing. I am starting a new drone channel called Drone On. Now there's a double meaning in it, of course. You can drone on about something, but this is also in the meaning that just keep flying the drone, basically. And I'm starting that channel, so I would very much appreciate it if you could go to the channel. I will put a link below in the description, and subscribe to that channel if you're interested in drones. And also have a look at the droneon.eu website, of course, which goes along with it, because it's not just a channel that I'm creating. I'm also starting this as a side business to do aerial video and photography for that. I've been a certified pilot for over 5 years now, and I paid a lot of money to get the certification to be able to fly legally wherever I needed and wanted to fly. So that has cost me a lot of money, and I didn't really recuperate any of it because the flying of the drone was just more like a hobby for me. So now I'm trying to make that hobby into kind of a side business where if you have an event, a corporate event, for example, or a wedding or a communion or a birthday party, or you are in the real estate business and you want some very interesting drone shots, please get in touch with me on drone-on.eu, and we'll make your project something really, really specific and really, really awesome. Now, what does that mean for this channel? Well, it is going to mean that my time is a little bit more divided between the two channels. I will still report on the UNECE. I will still do the videos that I plan to do when I receive my Model S Plaid, of course. And if there's some other really interesting Tesla stuff going on, I will continue to report on that as well. Unfortunately, as long as we are under the current UNECE regulations that are not going to be improved anytime soon, at least it doesn't look that way, well, there's no point in continuing all these tests that I've been doing. I haven't done them in quite a while, but we are not getting any updates that are actually worth mentioning in terms of autopilot or FSD. So until that happens, unfortunately, I won't be testing. As soon as FSD beta comes to Europe, whenever that will happen, I will of course restart all my testing and continue to do that. So yeah, again, if you are interested in the whole drone business, and I know some of you are definitely, please subscribe to the channel. I'm asking really nicely here because I'm starting the channel from scratch, all the way from scratch. And hopefully you will like the content. I will do there different tests with the drones that I have. So right now I have a DJI Mini 3 Pro. I'm looking into getting the Mavic 3 also, so I'll do unboxing reviews, I will do some tests, I will do some tips and tricks on that as well, on video editing and how to work with all of that and the whole workflow behind it for me. For you, it might be the right channel as a beginner for video editing or as a beginner drone pilot. So if this is something that really is for you, then please consider subscribing, and I will see you hopefully in both channels then. So I said, I'm not giving up the Tesla channel just yet. There's still a couple of things that are really interesting when, for example, the Model S Plaid is going to come. Or who knows, maybe in the next year we have some news about the Roadster. You never know. But that is definitely some interesting stuff that is still coming our way. So yeah, I hope you will join me in both channels, and I do appreciate you being here and having stuck around with me for the past 5 years already. which is really awesome. We are now with a community of over 5,500 people. So that is really, really awesome. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's hope we can continue to build this community around these interesting topics. And I hope to see you in the next one. And for now, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.